was passing last year to Skinner Park when a black man called out to me, Chucky, in your Calypso song next said, I want you attack UNC. See how Kamala appoint Ramesh and Janice Thomas to rule over we, even though both of them may have no ability. By the time I reach up by Green Corner, a Indian man pulling my shirt. Chucky sing how Keith Rowdy Concoursa, he have no dignity, no word. Every day he attacking Kamala like if a sheep TV label string. Down to the woman hat, Keith Rowdy criticizing. I tell them government and opposition, my friend, is like a cricket match being fought. Bowlers trying to lick down the batsmen and out down the whole side for naught. But the true Kaisonian must stay detached. He must stand by and watch the match for the Kaiso art. Say, you can't take part. That's why I am bowling ball for nobody. I am feeling for no side papi. I am batting to please UNC. I am planning to make no century. My role is to point out who's shocking, who been in the arms and belting. So when you see Chucky up here, you're watching a man who's fair. Yeah. And when Rowdy calling Kamala, I am the umpire. Like Growling Tiger, and Lord Beginner, in the footsteps of Growler, all you're watching an umpire. Sweet music. Beautiful music. A Kaisonian must say politician like a cricket match in session. But in Kaiso history, the tradition is to watch the match from beyond. Our role is just to broadcast the match and then let the people decide which team in the National League is the winning side. So when people ask me to sing and say how Jack Warner is a workhorse and how we love Indian people all the way and his money make Manning loss, and how we spending his salary on the Indian and not a cent on the African, I just tell them no, give that song to the Busto. For when the Busto batting 1 year for PNM and next year he gone UNC. And although his Calypso is a gem, he's selling my art form cheaply. Cause you can't bowl and bat at the same time and still want to wicket keep too. Cause if you do, San Fernando go boo. That's why I ain't want no bread from Jack Warner. I am no 12th man in his corner. I am not his team's wicket keeper. I am not his damn water carrier. My role is to raise up my finger anytime he get catch out by fever. So when you see Chucky up there, you're watching a man who's scared. And when people bowl in water, I am the umpire. Like Growling Tiger, and Lord Beginner, in the tradition of Attila, all you're watching an umpire. Lovely music. Yelai, rumba. Take this verse, Johnny. And if I wasn't the umpire, I would have made one set of noise and tell all your way, Kamala get the bread to buy all them Christmas toys. I would have tell you how the AG does wear silk tie and silk underwear, and how Kamala carry Jack Warner to India. And if I wasn't the umpire, I would have tell you how Satmarat's blind. He just missed me in the ball, and when he feeling in slips, he does only see panty line. And if I wasn't the umpire, I would have tell you about Gopi Singh. When he and Satmarat's batting, boy is match fixing. And brother, if I wasn't the umpire, I would tell you why Galmaran Singh them choose to face deep pace bowling in Trinidad here, not Washington where they're sure to lose. And when they tell me the age, he is part of that, like Ian Allen, I just hedge and stay on the edge and say, it is a ledge. That's why I am feeling in no man's boundary. I am banding in no man's gully. I am bowling no man, no googly. I want you make runs for Rowley. I want you buy me no chitney and take it back like you did to Crazy. So when you see me up here, you're watching a man who's scared. And if Patrick Tablet inferior, I am the umpire. Like Rowling Tiger, and Lord Beginner, in the footsteps of Attila. All you watching an umpire. Gonna give you a special verse, never yet sung. Special verse. Yeah, lie. Oh. Well, boys, the umpire every day on the cricket field. Bowlers balling. How's that, sir? Is appeal after appeal. Kamla bowler ball and touch a batsman on the foot. Rowley turn blue. He appealing to me for LBW. When Jack Warner bowling, he only appealing once the batsman touched the ball. But the committee and members on his team, they don't support him at all. When Jack was batting for all the years, everybody appealed to him. But now they vote him back and make him the 12th man. So now Jack gone all over the crowd. He looking for signatures. He acting the crowd to help him hang all them criminal players. But when he was making 6s and 4s, Fitzgerald Hines told him, slow down Sam, what's eating goat mouth? Go sour your bam bam. That's why I am bowling no ball for Kamla. I am not feeling in her cover. I am not cover driving for her. I am not her collected searcher. My role is to find out who edging to Ken Gordon in the slips feeling. So when you see me up here, you're watching a man who's scared. And if Patrick Manning Tablet's inferior, I am the umpire. Like Rowling Tiger, and Lord Beginner, in the footsteps of Kitchener. In Kaiso, I'm the umpire. Like Rowling Tiger, and Lord Beginner, in the footsteps of Executor. In Kaiso, I'm the umpire. One more time, like Rowling Tiger, and Lord Beginner.